Because nga, when somebody moves to adjourn, that's not subject to any question, that's not subject to any debate. So nakakagulat, nakakadismaya na ganun kabilis yung ginawa nila. Orchestrated syempre yung mga ganyan na mga laro. So I will share with you my explanation.
Do you think the ratification was ready?
Well, you can say that. Kasi bakit gagawin nilang ganun kabilis? Why not wait really for for those of us who voted or who were going to vote for no to explain our respective no votes, especially so na wala namang prohibition yan sa rules. Yes, may ganun lang ang boto ay, and then may votes, pero there's no prohibition on the manifestation or for any one of those who register for no votes to explain for the record the no votes. So,